These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin tests $20,000, Ethereum trades above $1,300. Celsius sets dates for asset auction following bankruptcy. Blockchain game developer Horizon raises $40 million. Hugo boss to launch NFT and 360-degree Metaverse experience with imaginary ones. Mastercard launches cryptocurrency anti-fraud tool for card issuers. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency prices were trading higher on Tuesday on the back of falling US dollar and the successful few trading sessions of US equities. Manoj Dhara joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Manoj.
The cryptocurrency prices were trading higher on Tuesday amid a declining US dollar and successful few trading sessions of the US equities. So, despite the potential limited upside opportunity, Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency, rallied in line with a broader risk asset tide, which saw US equities finish noticeably higher in the prior day. So if we talk about the futures tied up to the S&P 500, that jumped 1.5%. Nasdaq 100 futures were up by 1.75%. So futures of the Dow Jones Industrial Average were up by 372 points or 1.26%. If we talk about the IC15 index of cryptocurrencies, were trading higher by 4% at 28,840 points. So at the same time, the US dollar suffered. The US dollar index extended losses to approach 111 points and threatened support in place, which was actually hit in the mid-September. So if we talk about the bond yields, the fall in the bond yields too helped. The 10-year US Treasury note fell to around 3.65%, down from more than 4% at the point which was hit last week. So if you talk about Bitcoin, was trading at $19,972, up by 4%. Bitcoin has been consolidating in a narrow range between $18,800 and $20,200 since the mid-September price fall. So if you talk about the volatility, in such a volatile market like cryptocurrency, similar quiet period of consolidation are very rare. So despite price downturns, mining and accumulation statistics are improving. So if you talk about the last week's data, the Bitcoin hash rate made a new fresh all-time high of 242 exahashes per second. So the rise in hash rate, what it means, was likely due to the more efficient mining hardware and more mining rigs working in general. So this is actually a positive sign as far as the Bitcoin and the ecosystem is concerned. Talk about the global cryptocurrency market was trading higher by 3% at $956 billion. However, the total trading volume too jumped more than 17%, was $56.72 billion. To talk about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 4.3% to trade at $1,350. So Ethereum price has been sluggish since the merge and stands out among the top cryptocurrencies that could lead the way if there is a short-term bullish reversal. Talk about the positive trends which were there in the actual stock markets, which is reflecting in the cryptocurrency market as well. Even after the disappointing price action post-merge, staking and burning is on the growth trajectory. That's what analysts have said. If you talk about the other altcoins, on my left is Binance BNB, was up by 2%, was trading at $291. Polygon Matic was trading higher by 7.4% at $0.82. Solana Sol is next in the list, was up by 4%, was trading at $33. Shiba Inu was trading higher by 1.4%. Cardano's ADA token was up by 2.2% to trade at $0.43. Avalanche FX was next on the list, was trading at $17, higher by 3.8%. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1% at $0.060. Ripple's XRP token was actually up by 5.5% at $0.46. Last on the list is Polkadot, was up by 3% to trade at $6.
Thank you, Manoj, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. Celsius Network has set a timeline for the auction of its assets. The bankrupt cryptocurrency lender will have a final bid deadline of October 17 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time with an auction, if necessary, on October 20 at 10 a.m. ET. A sale hearing will be held on November 1 at 11 a.m. ET before Chief U.S. Bankruptcy Judge Martin Glenn via Zoomer, according to a filing with the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of New York dated Monday. Celsius filed for bankruptcy in July, roughly a month after halting client withdrawals and trapping billions of dollars across more than 1 million accounts. Recent court documents showed that Celsius's liabilities were more than $6.7 billion and its assets were worth only around $3.9 billion, resulting in a balance sheet hole of $2.8 billion. Amid the bankruptcy proceedings, Celsius founder and CEO Alex Mashinsky resigned last week. Mashinsky reportedly withdrew $10 million before the company froze client withdrawals and ultimately declared bankruptcy. Horizon, the developer of non-fungible token trading card game Skyweaver, has raised $40 million in Series A funding. The blockchain-based gaming startup plans to use the funding to build out its Sequence developer platform, Nifty Swap Marketplace, Skyweaver Game, and grow its team. The round was led by Brevin Howard Digital and Morgan Creek Digital. It also involved contributions from traditional gaming companies Ubisoft and Take-Two Interactive. No valuation for the firm has been disclosed, though Chief Financial Officer Deborah Marford said it was higher than the company's previous funding round last year, when it was valued at $89.5 million. Hugo, the youth-focused arm of Hugo Boss, said that it would be taking its apparel into the Metaverse via a partnership with the whimsical NFT project Imaginary Ones. It will launch a holistic 360-degree Metaverse experience, Hugo announced on Tuesday, as part of a global refresh of its brand. The NFT collection, which launches in early November, will consist of 1001 3D animations, and it will be entitled Embrace Your Emotions. Holders of the NFT will have access to Imaginary One's staking ecosystem, which grants the holder a separate set of special Hugo I/O merchandise, experiences, and content, including digital wearables. Proceeds will be donated to the charity Youth Aware of Mental Health. Payments giant Mastercard today is launching CryptoSecure, a new software product designed to help banks and other card issuers identify and block suspicious transactions from crypto exchanges, according to a CNBC report. A similar system is already in place for Mastercard's fiat transactions, with the technology now expanding to Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies. Powered by CipherTrace, the crypto sleuth company Mastercard acquired last year, the tool uses sophisticated artificial intelligence algorithms and data from public blockchains to determine the risk of crime associated with crypto exchanges connected to the payments network, while illicit activity involving cryptocurrency is down 15% in volume so far this year. Total scam revenue for 2022 is still sitting at a whopping $1.6 billion, according to a recent report from Train Analysis. And now let's go to Ruchi to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Bitcoin has been consolidating in a narrow range between $18,800 and $20,200 since the mid-September price fall. In volatile markets like cryptocurrency, similar quiet periods of consolidations are rare. Despite price downturns, mining and accumulation statistics are improving. Last week, the Bitcoin hash rate made a new all-time high of 242 exahashes per second. The rise in hash rate was likely due to more efficient mining hardware and more mining rigs working in general. Lido, a secure liquid staking solution for proof-of-stake cryptocurrency, has jumped 225% in September, with its TVL up 30% in the same period. Given the successful transition of the Ethereum network from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake, the Lido Finance token LDO has enjoyed a meteoric rise. The platform witnessed its Ethereum staking activity jump in recent months, with nearly $6 billion in total value locked. PancakeSwap is considered one of the top decentralized exchange platforms built on the Binance Smart Chain, with the highest trading volumes in the DEX ecosystem. PancakeSwap's native token Cake currently has a price of $4.65 and a market capital of more than $648 million. PancakeSwap burnt its Cake token worth nearly $31 million on October 3rd. It was recently updated and made available on the Binance Smart Chain official website. The fact that the tokens were acquired through trading commissions, forecast, the NFT market, auctions and lottery was also mentioned. Trading and short-term investors take advantage of this bargain buying opportunity, and since there are fewer assets available on the market than there are buyers, the price of the asset will rise.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.